So now I'm going to show you how you can use Copilot within Microsoft Word. First of all, I'm going to show you how you can jumpstart the writing process and use Copilot to help you. So we're going to ask Copilot to create a blog on the benefits of cyber training. As it starts to pull that information together, it will give you a little status update so you know where it is at, and you do also have the option to stop generating at any time as well. And as you can see, it's created some really useful content there. And it's given us some nice citations on IBM, and it's broken it down with some nice formatting that makes it sort of easier to read. And just from sort of scan reading it as we're pulling this together, this all looks great. The only thing that I would say is it has used Zs instead of S. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to ask it to make it in UK English. I probably should have done that from the beginning, but I guess it helps me demonstrate how you can sort of amend content, and it will start that process again of pulling it together. And as you can see, it's converted those Zs into S. And I would now spend a little bit of time, making sure that I was happy with this. And we spoke about responsible AI. When it finishes generating this content, it will give you the option to kind of accept the content that it has generated, or discard it, or amend it in some way. So here we can decide whether to keep it. We can actually just ask it to regenerate the same content, delete it, or what we can actually do is put in something specific, like make more humorous. But in this instance, I'm happy with it. So we're going to say we'll keep it. And that is our first blog generated. So the second thing that I wanted to show you is how you can make something more concise. So we will take the blog that we have already written. We'll open up Copilot. And we'll ask it to make the blog more concise. When we're ready, we can just press the send prompt and it will get to work. So it has made it very concise. It's basically brought it down to about 50 words. So, maybe you could use that, as a social post to create traffic to the blog, but it just gives you an example of how Copilot can assist you with the work that you're doing day to day.